Hello once again. Time to take a look at what's happening in the world of markets. Yes, I'm out of electricity like so many are in the eastern part of Nebraska, and we wish and our thoughts and prayers go out to all of you as you are trying to take care of your livestock to the best of your ability. That's what we're going to start talking these markets today. Kyle Bumstead joins us. He, of course, is over with the folks at Allendale. And let's look at the fact that the market has been, I kind of yesterday described it as whiplash because this cattle market was all over the board, having some new highs put into place. What is your feel and takeaway of a midweek trade?
Well, Tuesday felt like kind of like a day of rest. We did see, back and forth all day, just kind of some sloppy two-sided trade. Didn't really give us a good indication here. But once we got into Wednesday here, the market took off, ran out of the gates here. We did make new contract highs in the June on back here as far as live cattle go. And in the feeder cattle, we made new contract highs out there as well, too, in several of those contracts. So right now, it doesn't look like this thing is slowing down. But as we were sitting here mid-session here, we are well off our highs here. That high in May feeders was 288, and we're sitting at 286.67. So what we're going to be looking for here as far as from a technical standpoint here, I was looking for some of that what they call blow off top, where you make that new high for the move or new contract high, and then you close lower. So a lot of folks are watching yesterday's lows here as far as for reversal patterns and things like that. A lot of moving parts here this week, especially we have a cattle on feed report coming up this week here, and there's a cold storage report coming in here next week as well. And then we've also got April live cattle options going off here in a couple weeks. So lots of moving parts here. March feeders, they go off next week as well. Now the cattle on feed, that's going to look a little bit interesting here. It looks like the placements, some of them look like they're going to be down 14% year over year, which likely with the weather we had in the Mexico border and things like that, yeah, it's probably going to show lower. But I don't know if it's all as bullish as people are making it out to be here pre-cattle on feed report.
Well, I know I'm looking forward to having more of a conversation about this and other happenings in the markets with you later today during the Channel Final Bell. And again, as I mentioned, Kyle Bumstead will be our guest on this week's episode for the Channel Final Bell. If you happen to miss this afternoon's program, don't worry. You can pick it up as a podcast located at rollerradionetwork.com. Please stay safe in the storms. Stay home if you can. That's a look to the markets. I'm Susan Littlefield on the Rural Radio Network.